You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 6. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 4 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 6.